Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make stir-fry noodles. For this recipe, you can use whatever vegetable you have. As for me, I'll be using carrots, celery, bok choy, and onion leeks. You can also use, or you can add capsicum if you like, or napa cabbage. So first thing I did was prepare all the ingredients. This recipe is a perfect way to clear out your fridge, like leftover chicken, shrimp, pork, and any vegetable you don't know how to cook or what dish to cook with them. So you can use this recipe. It's a perfect example. So I boiled some chicken breast and I also added in some shiitake mushroom for this recipe. Next is you soak the noodles in hot water for 1 minute. So let's start cooking. Make sure your pan is hot. Then you add in your oil. Make sure the pan is really hot. So I added in the chicken skin and let the fat render first. Once the chicken skin turns golden brown, you can remove or set aside, or you can just munch on them. Next, add the ginger. So if you smell the aroma of the ginger, you can add the garlic. Once the edges of the garlic turns a little bit brown, you can add in the onion and saute for a bit. When the onion turns translucent, you can now add on your shredded chicken and saute for a bit. As you can see, there's a lot of oil or fat in it, but don't worry because we're using chicken, so most likely the chicken will absorb most of the fat or the oil. When the chicken turns a little bit brown, you can add in or stir in your carrots and celery and continue stirring for around 40 seconds. Next, we add in the hard part of the bok choy. Stir and cook the bok choy for a bit, and then you can also add in your shiitake mushroom. While the bok choy is cooking, we prepare the sauce. Here I added in oyster sauce, hoisin, and a bit of pepper. I forgot to add the sesame oil, so I'm gonna add the sesame oil now. And also you need to put on your chicken stock for this one. I saw some crab sticks in my fridge, so I decided to add that as well for this recipe. And continue stirring. Next, add in the bok choy leaves and continue stirring until the leaves are wilted. This stir-fry noodle is very simple to make, easy to prepare, and your family will surely enjoy this one. So I think this is okay. I added in the noodles. I totally forgot that it's supposed to be soaked for just a minute, and the noodles was soaked in hot water for about 5 minutes and it expanded a bit. but don't have to worry, it's still delicious. By the way, I'm using fresh noodles for this recipe, but you can use any type of noodles you have at home. So the last step is adding in the sauce. So continue to stir for a bit, and I think we're done. Basically, we're done. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. And this recipe is so simple to prepare and so simple to make, and your family will surely enjoy this one. Oh, I forgot to add in the leaves of the onion leeks and celery. And continue stirring, and that's done. Surely done. And this is the finished product. Hope you enjoy. Bye.